Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I'm going to show you the Bigme B7, a 7-inch colorful ePaper tablet. This time I'm going to have a quick unboxing and hands-on video about this new colorful ePaper tablet with 4G calling. So this time we have the Bigme 8GB plus 128GB ROM edition, and for Bigme, it's a brand committed to innovating e-ink screen products. So okay, let's use my knife to unbox it. So whoa, really enjoy this experience when I use my unboxing knife to cut open the soft plastic. Okay, whoa. So next, let's remove the soft plastic protector, and yes, nice. So here is the Bigme B7 just for you. This is the slogan of Bigme. For this brand is a pioneer in color e-ink smart device, and continuously to innovate this field, define products through rapid iteration, and also to provide the unpacked products in the market. So after we open the box, yes, this is another box. Okay, I think it's for the, yes, okay, the customized Bigme B7 larger case. Nice. It's good quality. Okay, let's check it. So this is a mechanic button connection. Yes, it's the mechanic. Yes, and also here is the mechanic part, and also have a hole for the camera. So okay, this is the stuff, the case inside the first box, and okay, next, whoa, okay, finally the product is in front of us. And this time for the Bigme B7 is a color ePaper tablet with 4G calling, and it supports 4G calling and 14 and a wireless charging stylus, and also 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. So it's all in one tablet, handwriting, keyboard, callings, and AI recording. So yes, first let's check the stuff, the accessories first. This is the cable. It's a Type-C to USB-A cable, and this time for the battery, it's 3000 battery. And also, yes, this time the size about the device is length 156.6 and the width 168.6, and the thickness is 5.8 millimeters, and the weight is just 250 gram. And here's the warranty card, and also quick start about the device. Yes, the user menu. Here we can find the main features, and also this is a QR code, the app, Bigme Cloud app. Okay, I think so for the Bigme Cloud, it's a private storage space and designed to be used with the smart office book. You can store your content that you need to collect for work and life here. So all content can be collected and viewed across platforms. So here are the introduction about the device. Whoa, not so complicated. I think it's very easy to use the device. Also, this is a user menu, quick start guide, and warranty card about the device. And here it's provide okay, I think it's the stylus pen nib. Yes, and also the clip. Okay, so they have the price, the device, product use manual, warranty card, and also the USB cable and the stylus and the pen nib and clip. So a lot of accessories, and also this is a SIM card ejector because this time support the 4G calling. So okay, So it can support all networks, 4G all network, and support state connected to the world. And this is the first 7-inch e-ink calling tablet, and it's also here is also to provide the stylus and also Sputnik magnetic connection to the tablet, and also it supports the wireless charging when you attach it here. Yes, so it's a multifunctional stylus. Yes, so very convenient and useful. And for this pro grade stylus, it support 4096 pressure levels for the ultra responsive control. So yes, so next let's get the tablet out of the protector, the plastic protector. Okay, Bigme, and personally I really like this color. It's kind of gray, and this is sand polishing material. Okay, yes, so this is a pen, and for this wireless charging stylus, okay, easy to attach it, and they can seamlessly switch between note-taking, document annotation, and creative task. I really like it. And yes, here is the power button. Yes, this is the button, power button. And also they have a Type-C interface, charging port, and also it's an indicator light, and also customized button at the front side of the tablet, and put power off, SIM card slot, and also the microphone at the bottom of the device is support TF and nano SIM card slot. Yes, I can show you. Let me get the SIM card ejector. Yes, SIM card pin. Yes, here is the SIM card pin. I can show you the TF plus nano SIM card slot. Very nice. Yes. Okay, also 2-in-1 SIM card slot. Very nice. Okay, let's insert it. Yes, this button up in the front. Let's power it on. Bigme. Okay. Bigme create of color e-ink AI node. Yes. And this is the back panel, Bigme logo, and also the HD real camera. And this time this is to provide a 5 megapixel HD real camera with camera, flashlight, AI camera. Yes, and it's not raised, it's just a flat, and I really like it. If raised, it's not so nice if you put it on the desk, but it's pure flat, so it's nice. Okay, let's waiting for the. Okay, waiting for the. Okay, it's already. Let's go to the. We can go to the OS. Let's waiting for entering the OS. Okay. Power it on and power it off. Yes, now we can choose language, English, and we can also enter the OS. Welcome to use Bigme AI Node. Okay, we can scan the code to contact them through WhatsApp, and also you can click to view the user guide. And now we enter the OS. And I mentioned this time to provide a 7-inch color e-ink screen, and the resolution about the screen is 1264 by 6080, and it supports 6032 by 840 color and the 300 ppi, and also it supports the 150 ppi color. And this time use octa-core 2.3 GHz, and we can check the specification from the setting part. And as mentioned, this time they use the 8GB RAM plus 128GB RAM edition, and also it supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 2.5G and 5G. Okay, so we can go to the settings and to check more information about the device. And also for this device, it's about gravity sensor, and also 4G full network, and also it's based on the Android 14. Okay. And this time for the Bigme B7, it offers a comfortable reading experience in various lighting, especially sunlight, and also displays cover, comics, magazines, graphs, diagrams, and textbooks in colors. So it's significantly lower power consumption than LCD and OLED screens. And also this time for the software, it also provides gesturing settings. You can swipe up front button to the edge of the display to get a multifunctional switch, back, home, and refresh rate. Also you can swipe up and down to adjust the slide, and swipe left and right to adjust the back. And also they provide 2 physical customized buttons to boost your efficiency by 100%. Very nice. And don't forget, not only you can use the stylus, the pen, but also you can touch it. Yeah. Stylus. And page it on, page it up. Volume. Yes, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi, to internet, to test the AI features. And also, if you don't connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also insert a SIM card, because it supports 4G LTE calling and data, so you can make receiver's phone calls directly on the device and use a nano SIM card. So now we connected to the Wi-Fi, and now we can go to the library, and we can try to testing the book reading experience about the device. Okay, you can use my stylus to lot of application pre-installed. Okay, this is the camera, so we find the camera, so we can try to test the camera. It's just a 5 megapixel camera, but also we can try to make some pictures about the tablet. And for this 5 megapixel camera, it can equal 2 times productivity. You can scan OCR and edit note contract instantly, and no more manual work. And also you can also adjust the zoom. So yes, so the sample pictures. This is my hand, the mouse. No focus to also here they provide the shortcut button, virtual button. As we can adjust. Okay, filled. I plan to drag it, so I try to drag it to the middle. It's I think it cannot. It can only stay at the edge of the device, and it's with this shortcut button we can back, home page, and have some shortcut applications. It's very easy. And also now we go to the user menu. We can use the reading mode, and now we can also support writing. And also we can also learn something about Bigme. I think my name. Okay. Also, we can have a product view. I already explained the main features and also the specification about the device. You can find the power button, SIM card slot, speaker, indicator, customized key, magnetic connection, and wireless connection. Yes, here's the magnetic connection, power button, charging dot, microphone. Yes. And for this pen, it also have a eraser. Easily to erase it. And also use this customized key to page down, page up. And also we can find the details information about the device here. The size, screen size, the device size, resolution, PPI, CPU, RAM and ROM, handwriting, expansion, microphone supported, speak supported, wireless connection supported. Okay. Yes, we can remove it. Nice, I really like it. And also this is the pen, the Stylus pen. So I think it covers 3 parts. The erase button, the pen nib, and also the middle is the charging spot and magnetic contraction position. And also at the top, the indicator light when you're charging, you can use it. You can see it. And here the main interface. And also for the menu bar, content area, adjust the volume. And the status bar, you can split the screen. The left part is the app, and the right part is the notification, and also the status bar. Okay, this is AI Bigme GPT. Using guide Bigme GPT. So we can select the language, and also is support the keyboard and voice input, and also the Bigme GPT, and also the DeepSeek supported this device, so no need to download the actual DeepSeek or ChatGPT. And especially for some special region, it's not easy to download use the GPT, and this time they pre-installed, so provide a nice experience. Yeah, you can voice inputting, and also use the text inputting.
Say goodbye to boring conversations and say hi, hello, to a new world of engaging dialogue. Whether you're looking to break the ice in networking events, make a lasting impression in professional settings.
To be frank, even I hold it for a long time, I can feel that it was not heavy. And as I mentioned, DeepSeek and ChatGPT support it, and they controlled the weight well, just 250 gram. if I hold it for a long time, is still my hand still feels okay. Also feels heavy. Now I'm testing the chart, the Bigme GPT and also DeepSeek, and it can give a very quick response to your command or your question. And as you can see now, I no need to connect to the VPN or no need to log in the GPT or DeepSeek. It's already pre-installed, so it's very easy to use it. And this can really improve your working efficiency, save a lot of time. Okay. And also besides this, they also pre-installed reading applications for ePaper, like the Bigme Reader and the Neo Reader, and it supports lots of array of format, like the EPUB, PDF, MOBI, TXT, DocX, PPT, PPTX, XLS. So lots of format is supported, and it can easily improve our reading experience and also working efficiency. And I will say after 20 minutes, my eyes is very comfortable, so it can provide excellent sunlight readability and eyes comfort. Performance for this screen is much better than the normal smartphones, even they turn on the eye protect mode, and this one is stand out for this part. And also besides this, it's also IPX7 waterproofing products, and for this IPX7 water resistance, it means it can withstand the immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. I not tried, but this is the rating stand for IPX7. I think for some running spills and some accident submersions, it surely can works. And also this time, not only the hardware, also provides some software optimization to make it very easy to use. Reading for note-taking, for annotating document, and also is a 8,000 battery, can provide a long battery life compared to LCD tablet. And also the eye comfort, yeah, I would say very nice.
Professionals needing distraction-free note-taking. Students highlighting textbooks or organizing lectures.
So okay, let's simply make a conclusion to the target audience about this Bigme B7. I think it's ideal for users like the prioritized eye comfort and long battery life reading, and need colorful for comics, magazines, and textbooks and diagrams. Also require a dedicated stereo connection and coding capability in secondary device, and also they want a capable of ePaper device for note-taking and annotating document, and also is value the flexibility of Android ecosystem on the eco device, because you can just sync you read the books from the Android device to this device, even if you download the application and log in the same account. And also the last one is the device resistant to water exposure. If compared to the normal books, this device it can do the water resistance compared to the normal box. So this is I think the main target audience about device, and also we can make some conclusion about the pros. And for the pros is a unique combination of colorful ePaper and 4G calling and open Android ecosystem, and also the eye comfort and long battery, good reading, IPX7 expand storage and versatile connectivity like the 4G, Wi-Fi, and USB, and Bluetooth anyway. And also for the cons is for the color performance is muted, and the low resolution than the monochrome. And the screen refresh rate actually is a bit slow and not suitable for videos or for fasting scrolling as I tested. And also for the calling speed quality is lower than the normal phones, and for the price it's a bit higher than the basic e-readers. And also the Android on ePaper requires adjustment due to the reflection emulation. So this I think has the cons and the pros. pros about the device. Also, I also mentioned the target audience about the device. So what do you think of such, okay, the 7-inch 4G supported E-ink tablet from Bigme? I hope you can leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. And all in all, if I give a, if they want me to give them a verdict, I will say it's recommended, and I will give them 4 stars. If the full is 5 stars, I will give them 4 stars. And the Bigme, I think B7, the 7-inch color ink display, it can be really helpful and useful for long reading users, and also they provide the professional designs. It's really nice for the student and digital readers, and also this time the 4G connectivity and stylus precision and the power performance, and it's really nice. But the price is a bit expensive actually. If they can lower a bit the price, that will be perfect. And yes, let's make a conclusion about the device of the Bigme B7. So make a comment and let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching. Let's attend the video for more quick from here. This is my today's content, and you can watching, and I will test some GPT and AI functions about the device. You can watch it to the end of the video. Okay, bye bye.